1.
Make a 16-second animation. It could be still too. If you don't know how to animate, learn. Export as a PNG sequence, RGB and alpha.
2.
Download Pixified Tips loading screen template.
Find that in the description.
Export. Change binary to GFX. Open it in JPEGs. Images. This is the background image. For any tips, check out my last video.
Find that in the description.
Replace image. Make sure you update the shapes too. After the number 1, place your first frame 3 times. In number 2, place your second frame 3 times. Repeat till done. Save. Change .gfx to binary. Re-import. Done. Don't know how to do the Plumbob on its own yet? If you think you know, let me know.
For more Pixie tips, don't forget to subscribe.